Are you getting eaten by tiny biting gnats, sandflies, no-see-ums, midges, whatever you call them? These pests pack a painful punch, but don't worry, we've got expert tips and the best products to help you fight back. These biting flies may be small, but their bites can cause big irritation and sometimes lasting for days. While they don't infest homes like some pests, they can easily get inside if their breeding sites are nearby. First, let's stop them from getting inside in the first place. And here's what you can do. Apply a barrier insecticide labeled for midges or sandflies around window frames, screens, doorways, and entry points. Upgrade your window screens to a fine mesh, smaller than 16 mesh, to keep them out. Using ceiling fans and window fans on high speed, these tiny insects are going to struggle to fly in strong air currents. Already have these pests inside? Don't worry. Here's what you can do right now. Use an aerosol fly spray labeled for indoor use, but use it sparingly and follow the label instructions. You can seal up cracks and crevices where they might be sneaking in, turn off bright lights at night that could be attracting them inside. Now let's tackle the real problem, outdoor breeding sites. Biting gnats love moisture and organic matter, so you'll want to dry things out and clean up around your yard. Clear out clogged roof gutters and remove standing water. Thin out any thick mulch and compost piles. Pick up fallen fruit and yard debris, and swap out standard outdoor bulbs for low voltage bug lights that are less attracted to flying insects. You want to avoid overwatering your lawn and plants, and for serious infestations, you're going to need a targeted treatment. Look for the products with the active ingredient bifenthrin. It's highly effective against biting gnats. You can apply it to grass areas, vertical surfaces, and tree foliage. And as always, follow the label instructions for safe and effective use. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more expert DIY pest control tips. Check out our videos on pest control, lawn care, and animal care at DoMyOwn.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.